Aurora borealis, the celestial dance of the Arctic sky. The aurora borealis, also known as the northern lights, is a mesmerizing natural phenomenon that graces the skies of high-latitude regions like Norway, Iceland, and Canada. This breathtaking display is a result of the dynamic interaction between Earth and solar storms, creating a dazzling light show in the night sky. This phenomenon occurs when charged particles from the solar wind collide with Earth's atmosphere, exciting oxygen and nitrogen atoms and producing luminous waves of color. While green is the most common hue, shades of pink, yellow, blue, and violet also appear depending on the atmospheric gases involved. Beyond its visual splendor, the aurora borealis offers a direct glimpse into the workings of Earth's magnetic field and the influence of the sun on our planet. The best time to witness this celestial event is during the winter months when nights are longest. Each aurora display is unique, with patterns shifting in mere seconds, ensuring that no two sightings are ever the same. Plitvice Lakes, Croatia's emerald wonderland. Nestled in the lush, forested heart of Croatia, Plitvice Lakes National Park is a breathtaking series of crystal-clear lakes interconnected by cascading waterfalls, all set within a dense woodland teeming with wildlife such as deer, bears, wolves, wild boars, and rare bird species. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the park is home to 16 terraced lakes that flow into a magnificent limestone canyon. The lakes are famed for their ever-changing hues, shifting from azure and green to gray or deep blue, depending on the mineral content, aquatic life, and the angle of sunlight. The park's unique travertine formations, created by the accumulation of limestone deposits from moss, algae, and bacteria, continue to evolve, constantly reshaping the landscape. Plitvice Lakes is not just a natural wonder, but a living testament to the dynamic forces that shape our planet. The Painted Hills, a living natural canvas in Oregon, USA. Located within the John Day Fossil Beds National Monument in Oregon, USA, the Painted Hills are a breathtaking natural masterpiece. These gently rolling hills, adorned with vivid colors, were formed by layers of sediment that have accumulated over more than 35 million years. Each colored layer, from golden yellow to deep red and jet black, represents a different geological era in Earth's history. What makes the Painted Hills truly unique is their ever-changing appearance. The colors shift in tone and intensity depending on the light and moisture, turning the landscape into a dynamic and living painting. Beyond their visual beauty, the Painted Hills hold immense paleontological value. Embedded within the ancient soil are precious fossils that preserve the remains of prehistoric plants and animals, offering a vivid glimpse into the evolutionary journey of life on our planet. The Painted Hills are not only a paradise for nature lovers, but also a place of deep reflection, where visitors can witness millions of years of Earth's history captured in a stunning palette of natural color. Lake Natron, a mysterious natural wonder in Tanzania. Nestled in northern Tanzania, Lake Natron reveals a hauntingly beautiful and alien-like landscape. Its deep red hue is caused by the thriving cyanobacteria that flourish in the lake's highly alkaline and salty waters. With pH levels soaring up to 10.5, it ranks among the most caustic bodies of water on Earth. Despite the extreme environment, Lake Natron serves as the primary breeding ground for lesser flamingos. These remarkable birds feed on the lake's abundant algae and have uniquely adapted to survive in such harsh conditions. Adding to the region's uniqueness is the nearby Oldoinyo Lengai volcano, renowned for its rare carbonatite lava, a phenomenon found in very few places on the planet. Lake Natron stands as a powerful testament to nature's resilience and its ability to create surreal, awe-inspiring beauty, even in the most unlikely places. Mount Everest, the roof of the world between Nepal and Tibet. Towering along the border of Nepal and Tibet, Mount Everest stands as the planet's highest summit, rising to an awe-inspiring 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet. It represents not only the majesty of nature but also the relentless spirit of human determination. Formed around 60 million years ago by the monumental collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates, Everest continues to grow slightly each year due to ongoing geological activity. Its extreme climate, unpredictable weather patterns, and treacherous terrain make it one of the most formidable mountains to climb. Yet for many, the journey is as spiritual as it is physical. For the Sherpa people who call this region home, Everest is much more than a peak. It is a sacred place, deeply woven into their cultural and spiritual identity. 27. Raja Ampat, Indonesia's oceanic paradise. Located off the northwest tip of the Bird's Head Peninsula in West Papua, Indonesia, Raja Ampat is a breathtaking archipelago comprising over 1,500 islands. It is recognized as one of the most biodiverse marine habitats on the planet. With crystal-clear turquoise waters and expansive coral reefs, Raja Ampat is home to an astonishing variety of marine species, including thousands of fish, corals, and mollusks, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. Beyond its underwater wonders, the islands feature lush rainforests, dramatic limestone cliffs, and unique wildlife. More than just a diver's paradise, Raja Ampat plays a crucial role in marine conservation, helping to sustain the health of the world's oceans. Bryce Canyon, a geological marvel of the USA. Situated in Utah, USA, Bryce Canyon National Park is not actually a canyon but a series of natural amphitheaters carved into the edge of a high plateau. The park is best known for its striking geological formations called hoodoos, tall, thin spires of rock sculpted over millennia by frost weathering and erosion. The landscape bursts with vibrant hues of red, orange, and white, especially during sunrise and sunset. The intricate rock layers reveal the Earth's ancient past, offering a glimpse into geological history spanning millions of years. In addition to its stunning scenery, Bryce Canyon's high elevation and exceptionally clear air make it one of the best places in the world for stargazing. Namib, the timeless desert of Africa. Stretching along Namibia's coastline, the Namib Desert is a vast and breathtaking expanse of wilderness. Believed to be the world's oldest desert, it is renowned for its towering red sand dunes, some reaching up to 300 meters high, creating a surreal, Mars-like landscape. Shaped relentlessly by the wind, these dunes constantly shift, offering ever-changing scenery. As the desert extends inland, it transitions into rugged mountains and rocky outcrops, presenting a stark contrast to the endless sands. Despite its arid conditions, the Namib is home to a variety of unique wildlife that has adapted to the harsh environment. The coastal fog, rolling in from the Atlantic, sustains a fragile yet thriving ecosystem, providing moisture for an array of insects, reptiles, and small mammals. At night, the desert transforms under a dazzling canopy of stars, making it one of the most spectacular locations in the world for stargazing. Sagano Bamboo Forest, a tranquil green sanctuary in Arashiyama, Japan. Tucked away in Kyoto's Arashiyama district, the Sagano Bamboo Forest offers a peaceful escape into nature's elegance. This expansive grove, filled with towering bamboo stalks gently swaying in the breeze, creates a mesmerizing symphony of sound and sight. Sunlight streams through the dense canopy, casting a soft glow that gives the forest an almost otherworldly feel. The rustling of the bamboo has become so iconic that the Japanese government has designated it a soundscape treasure, preserving it as a unique auditory heritage. More than just a visual wonder, the forest is a living symbol of Japanese cultural identity. In Japan, bamboo represents resilience and inner strength, qualities deeply ingrained in the nation's spirit and tradition. The Marble Caves, a surreal masterpiece in Patagonia, Chile. Nestled in the remote wilderness of Chilean Patagonia, the Marble Caves are a stunning natural formation carved into solid marble along the shores of Lake General Carrera. Accessible only by boat, these mesmerizing caves offer a truly unique and intimate encounter with nature's artistry. Over millennia, the crystal-clear waters of the lake have gently sculpted the marble into smooth, swirling forms, resulting in a dazzling mix of blues, greens, and whites. The colors shift in intensity depending on the season and water level, making every visit distinct. As light filters into the caves and reflects off the water and polished marble, it creates an ethereal ambiance, an otherworldly spectacle where nature's beauty feels both dreamlike and divine. Pamukkale, Turkey. In the heart of Turkey lies Pamukkale, a breathtaking natural marvel known as the Cotton Castle. This stunning site is famed for its white terraces formed by travertine, a type of limestone deposited by mineral-rich hot springs. Over centuries, these cascading pools have drawn visitors seeking their reputed therapeutic benefits, shimmering in shades of turquoise under the sunlight. Adding to its charm, Pamukkale is also home to the ancient Greco-Roman city of Hierapolis. Once a thriving spa city, its ruins now stand as a testament to a bygone era, offering a fascinating blend of history and natural wonder. Here, travelers can wander through ancient relics and immerse themselves in the ethereal beauty of Pamukkale's mineral-rich terraces, where nature and history intertwine in perfect harmony.